What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, it is appreciated. Before we get into the video today, if you can do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. My new goal for 2022 is to try and hit at least 1,000 subscribers on this channel. It's not a huge amount, but I have been putting a lot of hard work and time into these videos lately. So if you guys can help me meet that goal, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button for me. Now, with that being said, I did mess up a little bit with this video. Initially, it was supposed to be a DIY video of me taking apart the interior and everything on the Q50 and installing the Starlight Headliner kit. I did get a new mic for Christmas, which I'm using right now, and I was super excited to use it so you guys had better audio. However, there's an on and off switch on the mic that I didn't realize, and none of the clips that I got have any audio on them. So instead of being a full 10-minute video of going step by step, I'm just going to chop the clips up, put them all together. It'll still kind of be a DIY video, just with music in the background and things like that, and a much shorter video. But hopefully you guys still enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys again at the end of all the clips. hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Either way, again, sorry it wasn't what I initially wanted it to be, But make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I do have some more stuff coming for the Q50 at some point. 280ZX, I've been working really hard to get up and running and to get all the custom body work done on it. The 350Z, I actually won something really huge for it that's going to bring a lot of content. I actually won it from TJ Hunt, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that. And then, of course, I have my Pathfinder, which I'm throwing around a couple ideas, one of which is just going to be a clean off-road build, or the other one I might go completely crazy and do something crazy for the channel. So either way, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of it. Leave a comment, leave a like. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.